It's me, Jimmy. So here is the Redragon. This is one of the rarest keyboard out there. Why? Because this is translucent. If you are the kid born in the Game Boy era, then you are gonna love it. And then again, it's gonna use this very special purple tactile switch. Again, it's hot swappable, and then it has a wireless Bluetooth and a cable, and it's very compact. And also it have a kickstand. Also, it's a RGB. Let me show you from the back. As you can see, wow, 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 wow. Okay, let me just open it now because I can't contain my excitement. Of course, you know I'm super excited. You know that I'm super excited. Redragon do not sponsor me. This keyboard costs you around 70 US dollar. Sometimes you could get for 65 also. I am willing to pay 100 US dollar if the build quality is good, because I bought this keyboard over the Keychron. What is the Keychron K4 Pro? Because I use the Keychron K6 and K7. Both of them failed me, stopped working. I will never buy another Keychron keyboard. What happened? What did I do? What did I do? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, let me find my Keychron keyboard, because okay, I can't find my Keychron keyboard. 1 minute. Let me find my Keychron. Yeah, here we go. Here my Keychron. This is Keychron K6, and I'm using the low profile keycaps of the Keychron K7, because K7 I throw it away, stop working, and this one work, but only the alphabet. If I press this one, this do not work. Sometimes it register wrong. So this is a brown switches K6, and the K7 was the low profile blue switches. I hate brown switches. I don't like them. So yeah, I bought two Keychron keyboard, stop working. I will be doing a comparison in size also, but wait for a while. What a beauty, what a beauty, what a beauty, what a beauty. And then what is this? What is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? What is this? Wow, extra, 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 extra. Wow, extra, 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 extra. What extra? I mean extra switches. You got it. What I mean, right? Then why are you so excited? Because I'm excited. Is there anything important here? Of course, I will just using a Bluetooth connection. I mean, I don't see why should I use a wired connection, because I want to keep my desktop, I mean, like clean. Okay, and then so here is the beauty. I mean, it's a translucent. It's not like transparent. It's a translucent. I don't like transparent stuff nowadays. I love translucent. I love translucent, not transparent, only translucent. You understand what I mean? So here's my what the hell is this? Yeah, K6. I mean, I was missing the function key a lot, as you can see. I mean, in size, because we have the function and then this one. Can you see? And when it comes to number pad, I mean, wow, I can get a number pad, which this do not have. And finally, because there's a lot of Redragon keyboard do not have kickstand, because I love kickstand. Okay, this is the brown switches. This is the purple switch. The purple switch is like the, I mean, like the brown switch, but tactile also, not clicky, but I love clicky. But worry not, I bought this blue Redragon switches. I will be making another video. So okay, let me just open it. I mean, so no, like this. Okay, let me show you. Okay, and then let me remove the switch. How can I remove it? I just can't remove it. Am I doing wrong? Please let me know in the comment section box below. It's becoming too hot here. Why I can't remove it? I just can't remove it. This is hot swappable, right? Of course it is. I can't understand what's the problem. What's the problem? Maybe this key switch removal is not good. Let me just take out this one. Okay, and then let me use this one. Wow, but why I can't do with this one, I don't know. I have no idea. So yeah, it's horse poppable. Let me put inside, and then let me see, can I do with this one? No, I don't like this. Stupid. I don't know what's the problem with this one. Forget about this one. This one is good. I don't want to lose this one. Okay, so now let me just do a quick typing test and then give you my opinion how it's type, because this is just, you know, unboxing and the first look. I need some time to get used to. And then okay, come on. Okay, here we go. Let me just insert. Again, this is the purple box switch. As you can see, the box switch type. So for example, let me just type like on this stupid, brown keyboard. Here we go with the sound test. Okay, can you hear the sound? Now for the purple, this seems quite nice, to be honest with you. Okay, this is a beauty. I love it. It felt better than the. It just felt better than the Keytron K4 Pro. The unboxing first look, I'm super impressed with it. Amazing design, beautiful looking. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.